Alright, to complement the video I posted about an hour ago, I was crowing about the crash costs for the AK420. So here's an example. This was keep in mind, this is a 90, the invoice is $93 or $94. Anyways, just over 90 bucks. And I'm gonna start with the most expensive thing on the list. Right here. It came with blades, but I got a couple of sets of blades in spare. $14 each. Landing skids, $4 each. Tail boom. I mean, yes. All right, let's round it. It's like $3.79 or whatever. Fine, I'm off by a few pennies, but you get me. $4. $4. This was an aftermarket part by Arrow. It's just a motor mount. I thought it looked cool. I thought I was going to give it a little, if I liked it, I was going to add it to the machine. It's kind of heavy, but we'll see. It's like $8. Control rods. Oh geez, these were like only like $2 or $3. Not even. Anyways, hey, look up all these parts yourself if you're really that interested. I'm just trying to show you what a sub $95 crash kit got me. Tail linkages, control arm linkages. It's like dampers, more tail assembly, servo horns. Main dampers, and the spare main dampers, spare tail blades. Oh geez, I don't even think these were 50 cents. That's the truth. It's cheap. Alright, control arm links. Just some extra colored ones. This must be like a washer. Oh, it's a bearing set. Okay. That would sell them separate. Main shaft. This is a 3D printed, it's like a battery tray holder or something. Yeah, XT60 connector. This must be for the tail bearings. Yeah. Tail shaft. Spindle for the feathering shaft or whatever the fuck you call it. Oh, tail. 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 Servo. Dampers. And just another 3D. Like I said, if I wanted to add a little color or flare, I could add some options to change up. My point is, these were what I figured would be the most common items that I would break in a crash. You know, your blades, your boom, maybe if the head. I didn't get any blade grips. Oops. I'm sure those were only a couple bucks, or maybe they weren't online at the time. I don't remember the backstory, but whatever. There you go. That's a good basic generic crash kit to keep me airborne in case of emergency. And there might be a few more miscellaneous pieces. Like I said, I could go look at the head assembly and order some spare parts for that. But you know, bent shafts are going to be a common hit. New blades are going to be pretty common. Tail boom, landing skids. I don't land that rough anymore, but you know, like I said, it was like $3.99. So there you go. All right. Thank you.